In this video, we are going to discuss about the intraday stocks for 15 September 2021, and the day would be Wednesday. Now let's look at Nifty 50 chart. You can see that it's still maintaining the range that we have discussed before, and the range is 17,200 on the downside and 17,525 on the upside. So this is the range in which Nifty is likely to consolidate. Now it opened gap up, but it remained within that range, facing resistance at the top. Now coming to 1 hour chart, you can see that it's still within that range. It's volatile. It opened, made an indecisive candle, and then steadily fell down and closed somewhere near the candle, yesterday's candle. Now you can see that this is the top in which Nifty is facing resistance, which is 17,440. From where it fell, the selling pressure came, and if it goes up again, then it will face resistance near that point. Now this is going to act as supports. $17,340, 17,300, 17,350, all these levels are going to act as support, and 17,440 is the resistance on the upside. Now this is the top which is likely to be maintained, and from where there are huge selling pressure on the upside. Now you can see that it opened with a huge gap up and tried to go up but could not, and from there it steadily came down with selling pressure and less buyers. So if it opens flat and tries to go up, it will face resistance at every higher level. So 17,400 is going to act as resistance, along with 17,440 is the top that it can make. On the downside, 17,350, 17,300, these levels will act as support, and it's going to be highly volatile. That's what we can say. So you can sell a straddle to make maximum profit. Now let's come to Bank Nifty. On 1 day chart, you can see that it is typically within the range that it was before, 36,200 on the downside and 37,200 on the upside. So this 1,000-point range is being maintained, and Bank Nifty is well within this range. Now you can also see that a trend line can be made, and if this trend line is broken, then we can expect the higher target of 37,200 to come. On the downside, 36,200 is being maintained. Now coming to 1 hour chart, you can see it is just volatile. It opened gap up, tried to go up, but it came and fell and closed somewhere near the close of yesterday. So 36,500 is going to act as a good support, and 36,400 below that will act as the support. On the upside, 36,800 is a strong resistance at this moment, and above which 37,000 will be the resistance. Now if tomorrow, you can see that it fell within the range from 36,700 to 36,520. So 36,520 to 36,720, this range is being maintained, and if it opens flat and if it comes down, it is likely to test this range. If it goes up, it is likely to test the resistance. So Bank Nifty is also going to be highly volatile tomorrow, and you can do a short straddle. You can sell a straddle to make profit in this kind of scenario with proper risk management. Now the first stock is Indigo. Now in Indigo, you can see there was a huge fall, and then from there, from the low, it slowly and sharply made a higher high, higher low formation and is going up, and it is halting before going up. So if this range level is crossed, then we can go long above 1950 with 7 to 8 point stop loss and 1:2 target on the upside. The next stock is HCL Tech. Now you can see it is in a good run. So it is just going up. Now the seller tried to take it down but could not, and is going up from there. In between there are some halting candles, but the low keeps getting higher. So we can go long above 1240, keeping a 4 to 5 point stop loss and 1:2 target on the upside. The next stock is Chola Finance. You can see from there a rejection came, and then it made a lower high. Previously it made a low higher high, higher low formation, but now this high could not be crossed. It is making a lower high, lower low formation, and if this low is broken, we can go short below 578, keeping a 4 to 5 point as stop loss, and the target would be 1:2 on the downside. The next stock is National Aluminium. Now I don't really prefer stocks below 100 rupees because of the volatility and the huge lot size in futures. It's continuously falling. Now if this low is taken out, then we can go short below 97.50 with 1 point stop loss and 1:2 target. So that is for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.